How to invest in real estate for passive income. 1. Start small. Begin your real estate investment journey with manageable properties or investments that fit your budget and goals. Even a modest investment, like a $56,000 condo, can yield significant returns. 2. Set achievable goals. Establish clear and achievable investment goals, such as owning a certain number of properties by a specific age. Having concrete targets can provide direction and motivation for your investments. 3. Understand cash flow. Analyze the potential cash flow of your investments by considering rental income minus expenses like taxes, HOA fees, and insurance. Positive cash flow ensures that your investment generates income. 4. Leverage opportunities. Take advantage of opportunities to leverage your investments, such as selling properties for profit and reinvesting the proceeds into larger properties or alternative investment strategies like apartment syndications. 5. Long-term perspective. Realize that real estate investing is a long-term game. Property values and rental income tend to appreciate over time, especially when investments are held for extended periods. 6. Persistence and patience. Building a successful real estate portfolio requires persistence and patience. Be prepared to weather market fluctuations and setbacks along the way. 7. Seek professional advice. Consult with real estate professionals, such as realtors and financial advisors, to gain valuable insights and guidance tailored to your specific investment objectives. And lastly, by following these tips and strategies, first-time real estate investors can lay the foundation for a successful and rewarding investment journey.